Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will explain the most important models in Leonardo AI, what they are good for and which ones you should actually use, especially if you are a beginner. Leonardo AI has over 15 image models. Each one gives different results and the wrong model could waste your credits. Some are perfect for realistic photos, others for illustrations, anime, or even designs with text. Okay, let's get started. First, we will talk about recommended models. First, lucid realism. It's great for photorealistic results, strong prompt accuracy, clean compositions, realistic fingers, and natural lighting. It's perfect for portraits, lifestyle photos, and product mockups. And then we have GPT Image 1, that powered by ChatGPT. Not the most realistic, but it handles text better than any other model. It's best for flyers, posters, or any designs with a lot of writing. But it's expensive and limited aspect ratio, like this. Next, let's talk about flux context. It's very accurate and detailed, but it only generates one image, but quality is worth it. It's great for fashion, beauty, and clean visual, and it also handles light text well. Next, we have Phoenix 1.0. It's Leonardo's in-house model. It's affordable and creative with decent text support, but sometimes it can make mistakes with fingers or push. Next, we have FlugDev and FlugSnail. FlugDev is for realistic photos with some text support, and then FlugSnail, it's for simple illustrations, flat illustrations, like perfect for children's books or greeting cards. And next, we will talk about models to use with cautions. First, we will talk about Phoenix 0.9. It's all cheap but poor prompt adherence. And then Cinematics model that needs detailed prompts to look cinematics and it's no text support. Next, we will talk about concept art. It's over stylized and not good for rough sketches. And then about graphic designs, despite the name, it's not good for text or flat designs. And then next, illustrative albedo. It's for glossy, hyper-realistic renders and not ideal for simple art. Next, we will talk about Leonardo lighting and lifelike visions. That good for Instagram style realism but with common errors. Next, about portrait perfects. It's excellent close-up face at a low cost and ideal for headshots. And then stock photography. It's designed for business style clean photos, decent but needs carefully prompting. And then last we will talk about anime models that great for manga or anime style characters, but it can generate usable text. And from these 15 models, if you want the best result, just stick with the Lucid Realism, GPT Image, Flux Context, FluxDev, FluxSnail, and Phoenix 1.0. And that's it. Now you know which Leonardo AI models to use and when. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!